Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you the top 5 best Ninja air fryers. If you're looking to elevate your culinary game and create delicious, crispy dishes without the guilt, you're in for a treat. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our kitchen adventures. Now, let's jump into the exciting world of the best Ninja air fryer. Number 1. Ninja 4-Quart Air Fryer. This Ninja air fryer is not only the best small air fryer but also performed better in our tests than larger air fryers with more presets across the board. Ninja's 4-quart tool came through swinging for the fences, with near-perfect cooking results on garlic, wings, shrimp, biscuits, and of course, fries. It's perfectly non-stick for cleanup, quiet while running, and, thanks to the compact footprint, it's easy to store. Though the settings are simpler than some advanced models, it does the trick for every classic air fryer function. Beginners and advanced cooks alike will appreciate this Ninja air fryer, and it's a smart pick for solo cooks and apartment dwellers. Number 2. Ninja Combi All-in-One Multicooker, Oven, and Air Fryer. With 14 cooking functions, the Combi truly is an all-in-one machine. It's a good-sized air fryer that can easily handle dishes like 5-pound roast, 2 pounds of fries, 20 chicken wings, or a box and a half of pasta. The Combi Meals function allows you to cook an entire meal with up to 3 dishes all at once. For example, you can cook pasta and vegetables in the bottom cook pan while the chicken bakes in the top cook pan. In less than 15 minutes, you've got a family-sized meal ready to serve. Speaking of serving, the cook pans are designed to be used as serving dishes as well, which cuts down on dishes and makes serving a breeze. It's a front-load, toaster-style oven, but the door opens to the side rather than a drop-down door, which is unique among its counterparts. We love the beautiful stainless steel finish and touchscreen. The overall look is sleek and contemporary, and we wouldn't mind leaving it on our counter. Number 3. Ninja Foodi 2-Basket Air Fryer with DualZone Technology. Dual basket air fryers like the Ninja Foodi 2-Quart DualZone Air Fryer conveniently allow you to cook a main and a side dish at once, at different temperatures, and in separate compartments. But they take up as much space as their oven-style counterparts. But the trade-off can be worth it, considering you can cook a whole 6-pound chicken in one basket while your favorite side cooks up in the other. Number 4. Ninja AF 161 Max 40 Air Fryer. Unlike the Breville and the Cuisinart, this Ninja is a basket-style multifunctional air fryer as opposed to tray-style. It has settings for air frying, roasting, broiling, baking, reheating, and dehydrating. Aaron Clark, the recipe developer behind Well Plated, purchased hers 2 years ago, uses it several times a week, and says it has held up great. Beyond its durability, it has a lot of surface area, which allows you to put food in a single layer so it cooks and crisps evenly, Clark says. She appreciates that it only takes 3 minutes to preheat, though oftentimes she won't even wait, and it still works perfectly, she says. The basket slides out smoothly, too, so she can pull it out and shake food up partway through cooking. And there's never any residual grease or stains after cleaning with a sponge and dish soap, she says, even when working with fatty foods like chicken wings and bacon. Number 5. Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. Though the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer look different from and are somewhat larger than most air fryers on the market, it's worth making room for on your counter. The 2-in-1 appliance air fries well and quickly, and can sear, saute, bake, roast, broil, steam, slow cook, proof, cook sous vide, and even dehydrate. It can also steam and bake, air fry at the same time for the juiciest and most flavorful results. One of the most impressive things it can do is cook quick one-pot meals by cooking the base like pasta, rice, or quinoa on the bottom of the square basket, and the toppings like chicken, shrimp, or meatballs on the top level by inserting a rack. The rack is used for air frying and steaming in the lower position and crisping, broiling in the upper position. The tray and 6-quart basket are ceramic coated, like the other Ninja air fryers, so they're easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher. We found the Speedi simple to program and like the clear control panel. The user guide is loaded with helpful instructions, tips, and colorful recipes so you can learn how to make the one-pot meals. The best Ninja air fryer is a game changer in the kitchen, providing a healthier way to enjoy your favorite dishes without compromising on taste. If you're ready to elevate your cooking experience, we highly recommend giving the Ninja air fryer a try. Check the links in the description for the latest deals and discounts. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Happy cooking with your Ninja air fryer!